Hello, it's Dumplet here. Welcome to a collaboration project between Dumplet and Cedie's Mathverse on Hong Kong International Math Olympiad questions. For this one, find the area of triangle ABC with coordinates A at 2, 4, B at 10, 8, and C at 14, 12. As usual, pause this video if you'd like to give this item a try. But if you're done, let us dive into the solution. Now, this is a very classic example of the use of determinants because whenever we have 3 points in a triangle, in a plane, we can always use the shoelace formula. Now, it doesn't really matter what order you choose the points in, but what matters is how you write the points in at least the determinant that we're going to take. Now, for example, I want the order of my points, 2, 4, 10, 8, 14, 12, just because it's in chronological order and alphabetical order as well, A, B, C. So what we have to do is we write 2, 4 like vertically like this. So the x coordinate will be at the top and the y coordinate will be at the bottom. Now we continue this through A, B, and C, or like the 3 points, and we have this corresponds to A, right? This corresponds to A, this corresponds to B, and this corresponds to C, but we have to write the first point that we use, in this case point A, again at the last part. So this is very essential, and this will be part of the shoelace formula that we're going to use. Now, after getting this, what we have to do is take the product when I write this blue arrows as seen here. So usually we say it to be down minus up because we have 3 down arrows and we have 3 up arrows, so like this. And we're going to take the product of the 2 numbers that are connected by 1 arrow. So for example, for the blue, so let's take the product of the blue first. So for the blue part, the 2 connects to the 8, so we're going to multiply 2 and 8, that's 16. The next one, 10 and 12, so 10 times 12, that's going to be 120. And we're going to add the 3. Add the 3 things that that we get as a product. And the last one, for the last blue arrow, we have 14 times 4, so that's another plus 56. And then that's for the down product, and then we're going to subtract the up product, or the same thing, but with the red arrows. So 4 and 10, that's going to give me 40 as a product. 8 and 14, that's going to give me 112 as a product. The 12 and the 2, that's going to give me 24. So after doing this, what I have to do is simply take the blue sum. Now I can easily get it here. It's going to be equal to 192. And for the red sum, this is equal to 176. So I have 192 minus 176. And you can easily work out the math. That's going to give us 16. Now after getting the difference, we're going to simply divide this result by 2. So in effect, I'm just getting 1 half of 16. So 1 half of 16, or this thing that I got from my down minus up formula, from the shoelace formula, and simplify the answer. Now take note, there is an absolute value outside, but since in this case we got a positive number anyway, but just in case that you get a negative number, don't forget to take the absolute values because, well, obviously a negative area doesn't make sense. Anyways, to finish, simply get 1 half of 16, and we're going to get that the area of triangle ABC is equal to 8. Hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!